I think we've all wished we were Spider-Man at one time or another. The ability to leap tall buildings and gain a bird's eye view, especially in the construction industry, would definitely come in handy. While superpowers aren't a reality for most of us, the benefits of drone technology help to bridge gaps we would otherwise be unable to reconcile. Drones are currently one of the world's most widely used technology in the construction sector, able to conduct site surveys with greater speed and accuracy than physical crews and at significantly lower costs. Their high-resolution cameras, along with the data they can collect, can create interactive 3D or topographical maps and models while taking accurate volume measurements. Not limited to site surveys, drones are increasingly being used to automate a range of functions, including stockpile measurements, thermal building inspections, architectural modeling, quality checking, and even small item delivery. In fact, by using drone technology to inspect existing structures like bridges and tall buildings, hard-to-reach places can be monitored without the safety risk posed by other vehicles like cherry pickers or scaffolding. This cutting-edge technology is also being used to provide additional engagement opportunities for investors and shareholders alike, providing virtual walkthroughs, stills, and videos from multiple high-level and dynamic angles. When fitted with a specialist lens, drones are capable of conducting a thermal imaging throughout an entire construction project. This offers a unique advantage in highlighting cold and heat spots, which can point to electrical issues or building defects. This can also be used to provide workflow monitoring, identifying potential bottlenecks in the function or flow of your worksite. When it comes to protecting your site, drone technology can replace static cameras, providing a richer layer of protection without compromising your daily operations. Engineering and construction firms are investing in drones to streamline remote access and visual data capturing. Areas such as electrical, plumbing, equipment misuse, and weak foundation points are being quickly identified through these connected technologies and are enabling faster decision making. While the benefits of drone technologies are extensive, there are things to consider before deploying a drone on your construction site. Central to all drone operation here in New Zealand, privacy laws. Understanding your responsibilities around what and how, when and where you can collect your data is essential in operating a drone. Remember that drones are a developing technology, meaning that laws around them are constantly being updated. Keeping up with civil aviation regulations specific to your local area will help you ensure you remain compliant. Though you won't need a license to fly a drone, it is important to train an operator following the Part 101 drone rules. If you plan to use your drone experimentally, you can apply for a Part 102 certification, which covers areas that 101 don't reach. Whichever you choose, these rules are New Zealand's civil aviation rules and must be adhered to. Other considerations to include checking for no-fly zones and gaining consent if and where necessary. If you're looking for further information around what you need to operate a drone within your business, a good place to start is by visiting the New Zealand Government aviation websites, where you can find private organisations that offer drone training.